We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the JUKMO Tactical Belt, a military-style hiking rigger belt made from 1.5-inch nylon webbing with a heavy-duty quick-release buckle. This belt has gained significant attention for its unique combination of comfort, durability, and practical design. Many users have expressed their satisfaction with the belt's performance in everyday use, as well as in more demanding environments. This review will cover the features, usability, performance, pros, and cons based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis. The first thing that stands out about the JUKMO Tactical Belt is its design. Unlike traditional belts with holes, this belt offers infinite adjustment thanks to its clamp-style buckle. Users report that this allows for a perfect fit every time without the frustration of missing the ideal hole size. The belt is stretchy, yet firm, providing a snug fit that adjusts dynamically with movement. This elasticity is a key feature that sets it apart from many other belts. For example, users note that the belt can stretch several inches forward from the stomach while still maintaining enough tension to keep pants securely in place. This makes it highly comfortable for activities that involve sitting, bending, or moving around frequently. Installation and adjustment of the belt are straightforward once the user understands the proper method. Some initial confusion has been reported by users who struggle to thread the buckle through their belt loops. However, the correct approach is to keep the two halves of the buckle connected while threading the belt through the pants loops, then securing the clamp on the free end. Once adjusted, the belt can be instantly released by pressing the buckle's quick release mechanism and snapped back together just as quickly. This feature is praised for its convenience and speed, making it faster to adjust or remove than traditional belts. The belt's length tends to be generous, with medium sizes often leaving 10 to 11 inches of excess strap. This is not seen as a drawback because the excess can be tucked into the belt loops or the integrated sliding retainer. For those who prefer a cleaner look, the belt can be trimmed and the ends sealed with heat to prevent fraying. Users are advised to measure their waist carefully and consider ordering a size smaller than recommended, as the belt's stretch and length accommodate a range of waist sizes comfortably. Comfort is a recurring theme in user reviews. Many describe the JUKMO Tactical Belt as the most comfortable belt they have ever owned. The firm stretchiness ensures that the belt never feels too loose or too tight, maintaining consistent tension regardless of body movement. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who experience fluctuations in waist size or have difficulty keeping their pants up with traditional belts. Some users with larger stomachs or those who have struggled with belts slipping downhill report that this belt effectively eliminates that problem. Durability is another strong point. The nylon webbing is robust and designed to withstand heavy use, making it suitable for outdoor activities such as hiking or military applications. The quick-release buckle is heavy-duty and reliable, providing secure fastening without compromising ease of use. The belt's construction has earned positive remarks from users who appreciate its ruggedness and longevity. However, it is important to note that despite being marketed as a tactical belt, it is not recommended for concealed carry of firearms. The belt's stretchiness, while excellent for comfort, does not provide the rigid support needed for safely carrying a firearm on the waistband. Users who require a belt for concealed carry should look for options with stiffer materials or steel reinforcements designed specifically for that purpose. Overall, the JUKMO Tactical Belt impresses with its innovative design, combining comfort, adjustability, and durability. It is well suited for everyday wear, outdoor adventures, and work environments where a reliable belt is essential. The quick-release buckle adds a level of convenience that enhances usability, and the stretch material ensures a perfect fit that adapts to the wearer's movements. While not ideal for concealed carry, it excels as a versatile and comfortable belt option. If you own this belt, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This belt has proven to be a favorite for many, including military personnel, and continues to receive high ratings for its performance and comfort.